Hi friends, welcome to Excel Weekly Challenge number 4. In this week's weekly challenge, we are going to assume that we have conducted 2 successful workshops, Learning AutoCAD 2025 and AutoCAD 2025 Essential Training. Here is summary of the programs, the summary of the first program and the summary of the second program. Now let us see what are our objectives. Our first objective is to fill in the summary data which is given over here into these two columns, column L and column M. The data should be in the vertical format and not in the horizontal format. You should show the currency or the accounting format for the total fees. There should be no formulas visible. And you are supposed to use the copy and the paste command and not type in the values manually. So pause the video, take your time and try to achieve this objective. Afterwards, you can come over here and I will show you how you can achieve this objective. Well, now let me show you how we can achieve this objective. First, we will highlight the data in the last row and press Ctrl C to copy. Then we'll click at the new location and we'll right click over here and select Paste Special. In Paste Special, we will select Values. And here you have something called as Paste Special. So here we'll select Values and we will select Transpose and we'll click on OK. So we get the data here. Same way we'll come here and we'll select this data. Ctrl C for copy. Come to the new location. Right click over here and select Paste Special. Come down, select the last option. And in the last option, select Values, select Transpose and click on OK. Then select the last two rows representing total fees and click on the currency symbol. And we have achieved the objective. Hope you liked this week's weekly challenge. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.